Hi everyone. Simply I took a piece of cardboard and I started to fold it like an open book. Or for more easy, you can just spray it with a little bit water to fold it easily. To make the cardboard hold the shape of a book, while it's wet, I will place it over a piece of cardboard. The shape is like the sides of the books are on the bottom and the middle part and the center parts of the pages are up, as you can see I'm doing. Now I'm taking another piece of cardboard. I will just simply roll it and I will put it here on this place so it can easily hold the shape and it don't bend down. Here you can see how I did. Take another piece of cardboard and stick this book over it. Take another piece of cardboard and hold the book like this and take the shape of the sides so we can close them with the cardboard piece. I have cut the shape and now I will stick it with the hot glue on the both sides of the book. Here, this is how I did it. Both sides are done. Here I have white glue and water mixture, and take some tissues and cover the top part of the book with these tissues and glue to give it the texture of grass. This is how I covered the top part. It's like the pages of the book. And now this is the time to make a beautiful small hut for a beautiful fairy. And it's so easy to make. If you are new to my channel, it's really great to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe to channel. Thank you so much for your support. And I am doing all of these things without any measurement, just with idea, as I do always for my craft videos. And now take the other piece of cardboard, fold it like this for the roof of the hut and stick it with the hot glue. And now take some small pieces of cardboard, cut them like the bricks and place it over the roof of the hut. This is how it looks like. Now complete the rest of the designs for the hut. Make the door, window. I will just simply draw with pencil the door and then I will apply the hot glue on top of this. And now I'm making a circle for the window. It's just a roughly work, so that's why I'm in hurry to make. Now take a pencil and just scratch it the door side, just like this, to give it a texture of the wood. And now I will take acrylic paint. This is light brown bricks color actually, and I will use it on the top of the roof. Then I will take black acrylic paint and I will give it just a shade on the top of the light brown while the brown color is wet, so it gives a little bit different shade like wood. And here I will use light golden acrylic paint for the down part of the hut, and I will use brown, black and golden mix just to give them the shade of stones, which I will draw after. And for the door I will use black color, black acrylic paint, and for the window as well. Here I have dark brown paint which I will use on the part where I apply the hot glue for the door, but after I will change this color because I didn't like it. And now I will draw the shape of stones. You can use pencil, but first I'm using the pen, and after I will detail it with the acrylic paint as well. Here it's done, and now I will use different shades of stones like mustard color, dark brown, silver color, just to give them the shape, the shade of rocks. And then I will use silver color as well. Now with the acrylic paint you can just give them more details to the stones to define them more. Here this is how it looks like after giving the details, more prominent the rocks, the stones. Now I will use different shades of green for the top part of the book, and here is another shade of green. Here it's done. Now I have white glue and water mixture and some green crepe paper, which I will shred it in small pieces, and then I will apply the white glue and water mixture on the top part of the book, and then I will stick these papers on top of the book, same like to give it a texture of grass. Here it's the close-up. You can see I apply the glue on the book, then I put the papers on top of this, and then I will again apply the glue on top of the papers to make them stick with the book. And here I have some dry herbs. These ones I will use on top of the book as well to give it the texture of old grass. And now I will take a light green shade and I will apply on top of the grass as well to give it a different shade of grass of the land. And this is how it looks like after giving the shades of light green, dark green, the grass, the dry leaves and everything. And now I will take white acrylic paint to cover the sides of the book, like pages of the book. Some shades on the top of the book as well. I'm taking a thick piece of cardboard without any measurement, just by idea I took it, and I will cover it with the paper tape, and then I will cover it with the acrylic paint. I'm using mustard acrylic paint to cover this part, which is going to be the bridge of the garden. Then I will use dark brown acrylic paint on top of this mustard color to give it a wood shape. This is how it looks like after mixing the colors. Now with hot glue, stick it on the middle of the book, in the center of the book like this, from where the pages are bending. And this is the rolled cardboard, which I will stick on the sides of the bridge to give them the exact shape, exact style of the bridge. And here I have cut the cardboard pieces in round shape to cover the top part of this wood which is around the bridge. I will use a pencil to give it the shade of the pages, turning pages. I will use dark brown acrylic paint to color the bottom part of the book, which is going to be the cover of the book actually. And then I color the rolled cardboard pieces as well of the bridge with the same colors I used for the bridge. And now with hot glue, stick the hut on the top part of the book. And with hot glue, I will make the rocks for the walking step for the hut, just round circles or oval shapes like stones. Here now they are dry, as you can see, and now I will color it with the light brown acrylic paint. Here I am changing the main part of the door as well with the same light brown acrylic paint. Here I am taking some cardboard pieces to cover them with the paper tape to make the swing. The pillar I cut it just like this so it can hold the shape of the book as well. Now stick them together. The reason I cut it the second part smaller because the shape of the book is different. Color it dark brown acrylic paint. Okay, now this is done. And now here I have a black yarn, a small thin piece of wood which I will use for the swing. I will cut it a little bit smaller. Now make the swing, stick the yarn on the sides of the wood piece. Now take the swing and stick it on this shade we made with the cardboard. Now stick them on top part of the book, and the reason I made one side small of the shade, the pillar of the sides, because of some part of the books are up and some are down, so it can hold the shape straight. Now take the same black yarn and stick it on the sides of the pillars of the bridge like this. I'm using some dry branches from the tree, which I will cut small pieces, and I will stick it on the top part of the swing shade. This is how I covered the top part, and now I'll take this small piece which looks like a tree. So I will make a hole in the book, and with the hot glue I will stick this part. I will color light brown on the pages as well to give it the shade of old book actually. Here I have some paper flowers I made long time before for my home, so which I will use now on this dry tree which I stick. This is how it looks. Then I will take this green crepe paper, which I will stick also like leaves on some parts of the tree. Some rocks around the house or in the garden as well to give it more beautiful look. And some more yellow flowers. You can add many more other things as well. And this is how it looks like, a very tiny, small, beautiful fairy garden. I'm loving this. It's really beautiful. Actually, you can add many more stuff inside, but I was in hurry and I was not feeling well. Just to make the video, I made it in hurry. But I hope you like the video, enjoy the video, and give me more ideas what else you want to watch, what you want me to make cardboard furnitures or miniatures like this or anything else. Comment down below if you want to ask anything, or you want to give me the video ideas, or you want to ask anything else. And thank you so much for your support. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching and bye for now.